Have you ever wondered what secrets lie within your Windows operating system? The Registry Editor holds the key. The Windows Registry is a powerful database that stores configuration settings for your OS and installed software. But beware, making incorrect changes can lead to serious system issues, even preventing your computer from booting. Before diving in, always make a backup of the registry to safeguard your system. The registry is organized hierarchically with 5 root keys, each serving a unique purpose. HKey classes root manages file associations and OLE object classes. HKey by current user contains settings specific to the current user, like desktop wallpaper and application preferences. HKey local machine holds settings that affect the entire computer, including hardware and OS configurations. HKey user stores information about all users who have logged onto the computer. HKey current config contains data about the current hardware configuration. Most modifications will be made under HKEY current user and HKEE local machine. Registry keys are like folders, and values are the files within them containing specific settings. Common data types include regziz for text, regword for 32-bit integers, and regbinary for binary data. To open the Registry Editor, press Windows key plus R, type regedit, and hit Enter. The left pane shows a tree structure of keys, while the right pane displays values and data. To create a new key, right-click on an existing key, select New Key, and name it. Creating a new value involves right-clicking a key, selecting New, and choosing the value type. To rename a key or value, right-click it, select Rename, and enter the new name. Editing a value is simple. Double-click it, enter the new data, and click OK. Exporting keys creates a .reg file, which can be imported back into the registry if needed. Deleting keys or values is straightforward, but should be done with caution to avoid system issues.